Okay, so now we'll start with the next topic, and this is completely theoretical, that is conduits for water supply. Now, we have seen in the previous video about intake structure. So, let's quickly draw it here. So, this is a ground level. Let's say this is an reservoir. Now, in this reservoir, there is a structure. There is a structure which is built, and this structure is used to collect the water. Okay, so this water enters here inside of this structure. Then there is one pump which is provided here and a strainer. So this pump pumps the water and then it transfers it to the next unit. So the ways for transfer of this water from this intake structure to the next unit, we use conduits. That means we use conduits for transfer of water from intake structure, and basically the next unit is water treatment plant in most of the cases. Okay, or sometimes it may be transferred to the another service reservoir also. So now we are going to see what are the various types of conduits that are used to supply water. I hope it is clear now. So the total conduits are divided into two types. The first category is called as gravity conduits. So they are gravity conduits. And the second category is pressure conduits. Now this gravity conduits means in this the water is transferred due to the action of gravity. That is, no external pressure is required. So if you take an example of a canal, then in canals there is no external pressure is applied for the flow of water. When the water is released in canal, the water flows with the help of gravity only. So such canals are called as gravity conduits. What about the pressure conduits? So all the pipes that we see, so in pipes you must have seen the water flows under the action of pressure. Without pressure, the water does not flow. Hence, pipe is an example of pressure conduit. Now we'll write one point about them. So in this gravity conduits, water flows water flows under the action under the action of gravity. What about pressure conduits? The water flows under the action of pressure. Now in these pressure conduits also there are many types, and these pressure conduits are designed by using the three main formulas. So the design of pressure conduits is basically done by the three main formulas, and this you have already completed in the hydraulics, or we can say fluid mechanics subject. The first one is Darcy-Weisbach equation. The second one is Manning's formula. And the third one is Hazen-Williams formula. So these are the three formulas which are used to design the pressure conduits. So from now on, we won't say pipe, we will be saying pressure conduits. Okay. Now in the next video, we'll see what are the various types of pressure conduits, and then the important points about them.